Welcome to this explainer. Okay, if you're a beginner just starting to dip your toes into the exciting, but let's be honest, kind of overwhelming world of credit card rewards, you are in the exact right place. Today, we're going to reveal how you can map out your credit card journey step by step without making a massive, irreversible mistake that trips up so many newcomers. We're going to build a rock-solid foundation that guarantees you maximize every single perk out there.
So, let me ask you something. What if I told you that hitting apply right now for that shiny, heavy metal American Express Platinum card could literally be a $1,500 mistake? And worse, it's a mistake that you can never, ever take back. Look, most people, especially when they're first starting out, rush straight for the Platinum card. They want that premium status, the sweet airport lounge access, and honestly, they just want to flex that metal card. But by doing that, they're actually permanently throwing away thousands of dollars in free points, all because of a sneaky rule Amex quietly burned into their fine print.
Yeah, up to 160,000 points. If you skip ahead, you're potentially forfeiting up to 160,000 points from the lower tier cards. When you do the math on that, you are essentially taking $1,500 of free travel and just lighting it on fire, simply because you wanted the biggest card first. As a beginner, your absolute main goal should be to extract as much value as possible from the bank, right? Not leave it sitting on the table. All right, here's our roadmap for today. 1. The $1,500 mistake. 2. The AMEX Family Rule. 3. Step 1 with the green card. 4. Step 2, the gold card. 5. Step 3, the platinum card. And finally, 6. Securing approval. Let's jump in. Okay, Section 1, the $1,500 mistake, or rushing for status. Just look at the stark difference here. It's actually crazy when you visualize it. If you commit the rookie mistake and apply for the platinum card first, you get one welcome bonus. That is it, the end. But if you follow our insider ladder, moving systematically from green to gold and then to platinum, you collect 3 separate welcome bonuses. It's the exact same end goal of holding the platinum card, but with a completely different, way more profitable journey to get there. Moving on to Section 2, the AMEX Family Rule and its invisible traps. To really grasp why starting with the platinum is a total disaster, you gotta understand the rules of the game. The first major hurdle is the once-per-lifetime rule. Basically, American Express is saying that they generally only give you a welcome bonus on a specific card one time for the rest of your life. So the absolute crucial takeaway here is that you only get one single shot at earning a card's welcome bonus. This makes the exact order of your applications absolutely vital. You can't just mess this up and say, oops, I'll try again next year. But then in 2026, they took it a step further with something called family language. And this perfectly illustrates the real catch for beginners. The green, gold, and platinum cards, they're all linked together as a single family. If you apply for a higher card in that family before a lower one, you permanently lose the welcome offer on everything below it. Grab that platinum first, and you instantly lock yourself out of the 40,000 to 60,000 points offered by the green card, plus the gold card bonus that can reach up to 100,000 points. Poof, gone forever. So, how do we beat this system? To maximize your value as a beginner, you must strictly follow this chronological sequence without skipping a single rung. That is the whole secret to the ladder strategy. You start at the bottom and you carefully climb up. Step 1 green, step 2 gold, step 3 platinum. This is exactly how you stack rewards like a true insider. All right, Section 3, Step 1, the green card, building your foundation. It all starts right here. The green card really is the perfect starting point. You've got a super manageable $150 annual fee, and it earns 3 times the points on both travel and dining. But listen, for our ladder strategy, the real magic is strictly in that initial welcome offer. By starting right here, you snag that first 40,000 to 60,000 point bonus. As a beginner, your job is simple. Grab this card, earn those points, hold the card for at least 1 year to show the bank you're a loyal customer, and safely establish yourself inside the Amex ecosystem. Next up, Section 4, Step 2, the gold card, the mid-tier crown jewel. Only after you've got that first card totally under your belt do you step up to the next rung. Now, the gold card does carry a $325 annual fee, but man, it packs a massive punch for everyday spending. You're getting 4 times the points on dining and groceries, plus it throws in dining credits, Uber credits, and even dunking credits. Honestly, if you actually use those specific credits in your daily life, this card practically pays you to hold it. And because you followed our trusty ladder, you are fully eligible for a welcome bonus that can hit 100,000 points. Boom! You've now stacked both the green and gold bonuses.
Which brings us to Section 5, Step 3, the Platinum Card, Ultimate Prestige. Having patiently maximized those previous steps, you are completely cleared for takeoff to the ultimate level. This is it. This is where you finally get that top-tier status in the fancy airport lounge access you probably wanted from day one. But here is the truly beautiful part. Because you disciplined yourself to follow the step-by-step ladder, you collect this massive final payday, which can sometimes reach an incredible 175,000 points, without sacrificing a single dollar from those earlier stages. You have literally squeezed every last drop of value out of the bank.
Finally, Section 6, securing your approval without any beginner anxiety. Now that you know the exact order to apply, let's completely remove any stress you might have about credit scores or hard pulls. Applying for credit can be super intimidating, right? Normally, with a traditional application, you get a hard pull that dings your credit score whether you are approved or denied. It's a risk, but Amex has this incredible Apply with Confidence tool. It actually tells you if you are approved before you ever take a hit to your credit score. Even better, once you're in the family, like after you get your green card, Amex almost never does another hard pull for your future applications. It makes this ladder one of the absolute safest strategies out there for beginners.
Quick side note though, I know some of you might be checking your credit score right now and thinking, yikes, I'm stuck in the 600s. You really need to be in that 700 to 740 range for these premium travel cards. If you're not quite there yet, you need to clear the path by removing any negatives dragging you down. There's actually a cool DIY tool called Credit Rehab Pro that automates professional dispute letters for you. It helps wipe away late payments and collections on autopilot, getting your profile totally ready for the climb.
So there you have it. You now possess the exact step-by-step roadmap to avoid that brutal $1,500 rookie mistake. If you want to dive even deeper and master the exact sequences my team and I use to unlock six-figure funding, make sure to join the free credit bootcamp linked below. But I'll leave you with this. Now that you know exactly how the banks structure their little games, are you going to keep leaving free money on the table, or are you finally ready to start playing like an insider?